Most photographers think that white balance is about making colours accurate, but here's the secret. Many great photographs deliberately use the wrong white balance. Instead of correcting the colour of light, photographers often use white balance creatively to change the mood of a scene. Once you understand this, you'll stop thinking white balance as a correction tool and start thinking of it as an artistic one. Every colour creates an emotional response. Warm colours feel welcoming, comfortable, and nostalgic, while cooler colours feel dramatic, lonely, or mysterious. Changing the white balance changes that emotional response without changing the subject itself. The photograph tells a different story. Imagining photographing a portrait on a dull, cloudy beach. Auto white balance will try to produce neutral skin tones, but switching to the cloudy preset adds warmth that makes the skin look healthier and the entire scene feels more inviting. The beach hasn't changed, but the mood has. The opposite effects work just as well. A snowy landscape often looks more dramatic if it retains a cool blue cast rather than being corrected to pure white. Using the tungsten presets outdoors can exaggerate that blue tone, making the viewer almost feel the cold air. The same principle applies indoors. If you're photographing a candlelit restaurant or a cozy pub, correcting the warm orange light can remove the very atmosphere that attracted you to the scene in the first place. Leaving the warmth intact or increasing it slightly often produce a far more appealing photograph because it captures the feeling of the place rather than simply recalling its colours. This is one of the reasons many photographers shoot in RAW format. White balance can be adjusted afterwards without losing image quality, allowing you to experiment with different moods until the image feels right. Sometimes the neutral version works best, but sometimes a warmer or cooler interpretation tells a much stronger story. The important lesson is that photography is about interpretation, not simply documentation. Your camera tries to make every scene look neutral, but that doesn't always create the strongest image. As photographers, we have the freedom to decide how we want the scene to feel. So next time you adjust your white balance, don't ask yourself whether it's technically correct. Ask yourself whether it creates the atmosphere that you want. Sometimes the best white balance isn't the one that's technically correct.